I'm gonna take a tiny little... It looks like I drew on a moustache. Now I look like Hitler. Auntie G, get up and dance. Woo! Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am super duper excited today. One, because I have very minimal makeup on my face, just foundation, mascara and eyebrows. And that's because we're gonna be trying out the YBP color creams today and also the YBP makeup sponge. If you've been watching my channel for quite some time, you know that I am a die-hard fan of the original beauty blender. I love the Real Technique sponge, but I still there's nothing when it comes to the original beauty blender. So when I came to find out about the YBP Makeup Perfector Lust sponge by Payal Thakur, a couple of you guys actually suggested it to me. I've been dying to try it out, and I've also got the YBP SHreya Jain color creams, which there are 4 color creams. They are multi-purposeful makeup products that you can put on your lips and your cheeks and your eyelid and everything, and I've been loving that quick makeup hack, if you will, all of this year. I apply a lipstick, whatever lipstick it is, take a little bit, apply it on my cheeks, a quick swipe on my eyelid, and that's my makeup on an everyday basis. So when there is a product that is meant for your lips, cheeks and eyes, you know you're not doing any damage. It's made in India. I love promoting Indian brands. It's cruelty free, and I also love the fact that YBP supports the LGBTQ community, and it also is paraben free, talc free. It's got rose extract and also vitamin E extract, so it also seems like there are a lot of goodness in it. So excited. Let's start by talking about the YBP Makeup Perfector. So this is a sponge and it comes in a really awesome container. There are holes in the container so you can put your wet sponge in it and it can actually dry in it, and this lid also acts as a little makeup palette, which I think is so brilliant, because you guys, I lost my makeup palette and I usually use a cake decorator. But you know the stuff that I use as a makeup palette these days? The lid of my Q-tip, any lid that I find, you know, like I've even used my notebook as a makeup palette. So when I have a makeup, I should probably get a makeup palette. Well, I got one right now, right? Hey, straight out of its little packaging, this is what the sponge, really soft. There isn't any scent. So let's, you know what, let's give it a quick compare with a brand new beauty blender now, shall we? Hold on. So here is what an original beauty blender packaging looks like. I like this packaging better than this packaging because it's got a lot more purpose to it. A dry beauty blender looks like in comparison to the YBP Makeup Perfecting Sponge. The YBP one is very smooth, like poreless, perfect skin, and the beauty blender has pores on it. When you squeeze them, the beauty blender is softer to squeeze. Well, now anyways, let's go and wet this puppy and I shall be right back. Here we have the damp YBP sponge, damp beauty blender. The YBP feels a lot more denser than the beauty blender, but it is extremely, if you understood what I'm saying. I try to say extremely. It's extremely comparable. I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Ace of Face Foundation Stick in 04. This is really soft on the face. Wow. Just for comparison, let's use the beauty blender on the other side. It's taken the same amount of time and the results are identical. Actually, the beauty blender has sucked in more product. The concealer is more opaque on this side and the concealer is more sheer on this side. I guess because there are larger pores on the beauty blender, it has absorbed a little bit of product, but the YBP side has not absorbed much product at all. Guys, I've got the NY Bay concealer in the shade number... The text is so small, it makes me feel so old, I swear. Raising Toast in Roosevelt 7? That's a long name for a concealer. Anyways, I wanted to quickly give this a try as well, so I'm gonna apply this. Oh, that has a very strong old Auntie G nail polish, and that's very dark. It looks like I drew on a moustache. Oh no, what did I do? Why does it smell like lipstick? And kind of felt gritty. Anyway, let's blend it out. Oh no guys, why did I do this? Okay, I'm gonna put that sugar right on top. What a fail, I tell you. And that's too late. Now I look like Hitler. Oh, that smell, and it's right under my nose. Oh no. I love the sponge. Let's move right along to the infamous YBP X SHreya Jain color creams. Bam, 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 bam. So the packaging looks like this. Let's get straight into it. They have 4 shades. They're called the Mermaid, the Witch. I'm sorry, Payal, but I don't like the word the witch. The Goddess, I'm all for that name now. The Princess. Can we take a moment to appreciate how beautiful Shreya looks on the package? And I love the fact that they do not try to make her look fairer than she is. In fact, they've made her look a lot tan. I hate it when Indian brands only feature like Firangi models. Like, why? Coming to the color creams, these are the colors. This is what the packaging looks like. Very sleek, very beautiful. I love everything about it. Feels well made, feels of good quality. It contains 18 grams of product and it costs 1,200 rupees. I'm gonna take a tiny little. Oh, that smells like roses. Okay, and I'm gonna do a little drop there, a little drop there. It looks like I'm getting the flush from within. I'm gonna take a little tiny touch more, apply it on my eyelid. This is beautiful. Whatever is on my finger, I'm just gonna take it on my bottom lash line. Okay, I'm gonna try and make this more pigmented. Woo! I'm sold. I'm gonna try and highlight using Goddess and pop it. Oh! Okay, that is giving me a gorgeous natural dew. Apply a little bit under the brow. Now let's see if we can really intensify this glow. What I love the most is the fact that it doesn't look like I've got makeup on my face. It's really blending in with my skin. It's giving me a very, very beautiful, natural, beaming glow. Oh, the shade names are not written on the tube, so it's difficult for me to know what is what now. Payal, Shreya, if you're watching me, where are the shade names? I don't know which is which anymore. So that's Witch. Wow, that's a very peachy nude on my skin tone. There is Princess, that's like a fluorescent pink. I'm sure you can shear it out the more you buff, like you can see right here on the edges. Here is Mermaid. And finally, here is Goddess. And those are the 4 shades on my hand. And they leave a tint behind, which means it's definitely gonna stay on your face for a very, very long time. So guys, that's my first impression and review of the YBP color creams and the YBP Makeup Perfector. This is also latex free, by the way. So my final thoughts on these are, I love the brand as a whole because of their values, and I also love the 2 products that I've tried. I love these because they are unique. They suit all skin tones. They can be used every day. They look very natural on your face. They have a beautiful scent. And now it's time for me to leave you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really liked this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give this a big old thumbs up. If you are a new subscriber, hi, my name is Jovita. Please don't forget to click that subscribe as well. And let me know what you'd like me to review in my next video. I shall see you in the comments down below, and all the videos right down below. I love you.